Hello everyone, if you are following this Hednet protocol project, here is this new update that they just got. You can see that this was their last post and they have pinned it on their X page, and if you go down here you can see that they are currently running a 1000 USDT prize pool right here, and if you see this you can see that it's going for 50 winners will each take home 20 USDT each. So I decided to make a video about this so that you will be among these 50 people that is going to win this 1000 USDT prize pool giveaway or reward. So if you have been following my Telegram channel for long now, you must have noticed that I usually drop interesting updates which you can earn from it or which you can benefit from it. So you can see this is my Telegram channel and I post online earning opportunities which you can get your hands on it and then benefit from it. So make sure you do well to join my Telegram channel so that you don't miss interesting updates which I'm going to be dropping on my channel. And also I usually do drop trading signals also, so you can join my Telegram channel so that you can be getting free trading signals also. So let's proceed to the topic of today's video. So for you to claim this Hednet protocol reward giveaway prize pool that they are currently running, all you need to do is to come to this their X page here. You can see, if you come to the X page, just check on this their pinned message here, and you can see these are the entry steps you need to follow to participate on this USDT or on this 1000 USDT prize pool, which each winner is going to be having 20 USDT each, and is going for 50 winners. So you can see the entry steps are as follows here. You can see the first step, follow our official Hednet account, which is this X official account here. So you can see I've just followed the first step. Then the second step is to tag 3 friends in the comment, which I will just click on this and we'll just go to the comment section here, and let's say I write a good review about the protocol or the project. Let's say this project is one of its kind, thanks Hednet protocol for this opportunity. So then I'll go down to this section to tag 3 friends. So I'll just go down, and for you to tag a friend you just click on this hashtag section here. So you can see these are currently people that I'm currently following. I can just click on this week's official, tag this, and let's say I will just enter crypto. Let me think of other people I'm going to tag. Okay, I'll tag this guy, and let's say another person. Let's tag like 3 to 4 people here, but they say 3 people sure, but I'm going to be tagging 4. I'll remove this week's official because this is also an exchange, this is not a project, and I will impute this and tag okay, let's tag all these guys. Let's tag crypto. Okay, I'll tag this crypto taking and the rest. So you can see this is just exactly how to tag. After tagging this, I'll just click on this and you can see I've just completed the second steps, which is this tag 3 friends here. Then the third step now is to sign up and join the Hednet app. So all I need to do now is to go and download the app from Play Store. So I'll just go to my Play Store. If you are using an iOS, you can download that from your app store directly. So I'll just come to the search bar and type Hednet protocol. You can see it here, and you can just come to the hednet.io, which is their official site. I will go and get the app directly here. To do that, you can see on the official page here, you can see hednet.io here. You click on it and it's going to take you to their official site, which I can get to download the app. So apart from that, you can also click on the extension section, which is clicking on this extension, get extension here, and you can also sign up directly here also. So after signing up, you have successfully completed the third step. After doing that, all I need to do is to click on this Chrome stuff, and if you want to use it on your Chrome or Windows that's desktop, you can just select any of this and you can get the extension and that. But I'm not using that on there. I'm on my Android phone, so that's why you can see it's currently like this. So after creating this account, let's go and check what is next there. So after signing up, all you need to do next is to either connect to any of these devices. You can see download Hednet desktop app, and also here you can see install Hednet extension, which is the Chrome version and all that. So after the connection is being made, then you are now eligible to win the 1000 USDT prize pool, which is for about 50 winners. That is for about 50 winners to win up to 20 USDT each. So you can see the deadline is October 20th, that is this month. So that's why I made a video earlier for you as of the time I made this video, so that you can do fast and claim and be eligible to claim the reward. So you can see that they are saying that winners will be randomly selected and announced directly on X, that's on Twitter right here. So all you need to do is to stay tuned to their X handle or X channel, so that you will not miss out on the announcement. So if you win it, we are going to be provided mediums which you are going to be using to claim the token, or to claim the 20 USDT which they are giving out on this 1000 USDT prize pool. So that's it, and this is what I really have to share with you on today's video. So if you are interested in online earning opportunities, don't forget to just subscribe to my channel, and also make sure you are part of my Telegram community, because it's very important, because there are some updates I usually drop here which I drop on other social medias. So make sure you are part of this my Telegram community, so that you don't miss out on it. So I'm going to be stopping right over here. So thank you guys for watching, and if you want to join my Telegram community, depending on anywhere you are watching this video from, I'm going to be dropping the links and access on my channel description. If you're watching from TikTok, you can go ahead to check it on my bio, and if you're watching from YouTube, you can go ahead to check it on my channel description, and if you're watching from Instagram or Facebook, you can just check it on the bio there also. So that's it, and this is what I really have to share with you on today's video. So thank you guys for watching. I'm going to be seeing you in the next video. Peace.